I remember very early on being one of the leading roles in a school play and having the student newspaper interview me about what it was like to have this role. And they asked me about being a leader in this school performance. And I somehow, from the depths of my childhood brain, summoned forth this line that I had heard my mother use to describe my grandmother, who herself was an entrepreneur and mother back in the 60s and 70s when that was not a common combination. It's not a common combination now, definitely wasn't back in the 60s and 70s when she was doing it. And the response of what does it mean to be a leader is it means bringing out the best in other people. And when I think about that, what greater honor and privilege could there be than to do that for others?